So talagang through the years, people have come back. No, they have gone to the United States, and then they have come back because Faith Baptist Church is home. And of course, I will be remiss, huh?
Hello, I started going to Faith Baptist Church in 1964, 65. Sunday school, hindi, nasa ano pa, nasa U. Wilson Hall. And then, nung nag-transfer sa Quezon City, kahit sa bata pa ako, I was already part of the choir. Sina Noel Basera and yung wife niya, yes, Marlene, no? Oo, Basera. Pero part na ako ng choir. Bata pa ako noon, no? And then up to 1984, we were members of Faith Baptist Church, kasama ng mga sisters ko, until I got married to Pastor Ben.
And Laura is the niece of Manoy Alpha. No, in fact, Manoy Adin is responsible.
In fact, faithfully, every Sunday, sinusundo ako nila Auntie Elfa. Nasa Kainta sila, nagpa-pass by Pasig para sabay-sabay kami mag-worship sa Faith Baptist Church. And then they moved to Santa Maria, Bulacan. Saan yung property? Nearby? Kahit na nasa na sila, Santa Maria, still, they would pass by Pasig para i-pick up ako so I can go to Faith Baptist Church kasi malayo, tapos bata pa ako noon. So, yung growth ko as a disciple of the Lord, kahit bata pa ako, ay dahil sa kanilang faithfulness sa pag-disciple, and then I became part of the various ministries ng church, yung CYF, afternoon, nakita ko na doon sa church, grabe, very diligent, very faithful, yung mga youth leaders namin, even our pastor. Kasama ko nun sina Brutus, sina Juki Mostacho, sina Joel Navarro, si Danny Tan, we were part of Faith Sunshine Singers, sina Darian Calisterio and Tom,